Friends, welcome to Gamu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss what is that. A storage tank consists of circular cylinder with hemisphere stuck on either side. So here, let's going to take, this is the cylinder, so stuck on either side of hemispheres. So let's going to take, this is hemisphere from this. So this is the center of the hemispheres and radius of the cylinder. If the external diameter of the cylinder, so this is the diameter of the cylinder will be equal to 1.4 meter. So this is the diameter of the cylinder. So this is cylinders and this is hemisphere 1, here hemisphere 2. So these are the things. So let's going to take, these are the radius. So this is radius and this is also the radius. So this is radius. From this, what you can see here is, and its length be 8 meter. So what is the length of the cylinder? So this is the length of the cylinder, 8 meters. Then what is that? Find the cost of painting it on the outside at the rate of 20 per meter square. So what is the hemisphere's radius? So what is the length of, it's looking like the capsule. So what you can say here, it is the length of the capsule. You can take it first curved surface area of the total capsule. So what is this? So what is the radius? The radius will be equal to d by 2. So that will be 1.4 by 2. You can take it 1.4 as 0. Let's going to multiply 1.4 into 10 by 2 into 10. So that is 14 by 20. What answer we will get? 0.7. So if you keep it 0 here, then it will become 140 based on that. So radius will be equal to 0.7 meter. So here also radius will be equal to 0.7 meter. So this is the length of 0.7 meters. So that is the radius. Based on this, what you can calculate? So based on this, we can say one thing here. So we need to find the total surface area of the storage tank. So this is storage tank. So storage tank. So we need to take this one as total surface area. Total surface area of the tank, storage tank, will be equal to, what you can say here is, first one, curved surface area of the cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemispheres. So it is based on the previous questions only, So first find the curved surface area of the cylinder. That will be, curved surface means cylinder will be like this. So it is extended up to some height. So perimeter, that is circumference of the circle, is extended up to certain height. So only this, we should not include that. What you can say, we should not include height. So for that, 2 pi or h plus 2 into curved surface area of the hemisphere of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square is the sphere in that of 2 pi r square. So that is the value, 2 pi r square. So let's take it this one. So let's find out what is this here. So 2 pi r h plus 2 into 2 pi r square. So first find curved surface area of the cylinder. So cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder. So what is the cylinder height? So cylinder height will be equal to 8 meters and radius will be equal to 0.7 meters. So cylinder, so this is the cylinder from this point to this point. So this is the cylinder. So 2 pi 22 by 7 into r is equals to what? Radius is 0.7 into h will be 8 meters. So we can know 0.7 by, what you can say here is 0.7 by 2 pi r h, right? So 0.7 by 7. What answer we will get? Actually, we need to get 0.1. So 2 into 22 into 0.1 into 8. What answer we will get? So 44 into 0.1 into 8. We will get 0.8. So 0.8 into 44. So what answer we will get? 35.2 meter square. So this is the curved surface area of cylinder. Then what is the curved surface area of the two hemispheres? Let's move on to this curved surface area of the hemispheres. So what is the curved surface area of hemispheres? So hemisphere will be equal to, what is that? 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square is nothing but 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 0.7 whole square. We can write 2 into 22, that is 44 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7. So 7 ones are and 7 0.1s are. So 44 into 0.1 into 0.7 is nothing but 0.07. That will be equal to into 44. What answer we will get? 3.08 meter square. So what is that total surface area of the, what you can say, total surface area of storage tank. Storage tank will be equal to curved surface area of the cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder, then curve 2 into curved surface area of hemispheres. So curved surface area of the cylinder is what? What value we got it? So that time 35.2 we got it. 35.2. Let's going to write it here. Plus 2 into curved surface area of 3.08. That will be 35.2 plus 2 into, what is that? 2 into 6.16. That will be equal to, if you add this one 35.2, what answer we will get? 41.36 meter square. So for this we need to find the what is the final rate. Therefore what you can say here is we got it as 41.36 is the total surface area of the cylinder, the cost of the painting. Therefore cost for painting, the storage cost of the painting outside of storage tank, what is that? Storage tank will be equal to, so total surface area of storage tank into cost per meter square, so 41.36 into cost per meter square is 20 rupees. So 20 into, what is that? 41.36. 20 into 41.36, we will get it 827.2 rupees for the storage tank painting. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.